It's opening day of Toy Story Land here at Hollywood Studios. We came for the soft opening last night, but today is the official day. It wasn't supposed to open till 8 a.m., but it actually opened at 6:30, so we are currently late. And it's time for a map! Thank you! New park maps! So they have a special alien popcorn bucket. That is gonna be the new hot thing here. So Josh and I were trying to figure out last night how far back the line was gonna be for Slinky Dog. Well, we just found out. It's clear out here by the Great Movie Ride. It winds clear out through Toy Story Land and back up the ramp like you're gonna come up here into the main area. I will show you.
Alright, so we are in Toy Story Land and we're actually just going to walk around today and just kind of try to take it all in and get some shots that we maybe didn't get last night. Of course, I didn't get to look at any of the footage, so I don't even remember, but basically that's what we're doing today. We're not going to sit here and wait in a bunch of lines because they're super long. I guess that's what we're doing.
Lots of B-roll.
Lots of B-roll? You guys remember back from Animal Kingdom, we had a huge meetup. This is not planned. There's just a ton of people here. And
They're all walking away because Josh took too long.
Everybody's moving. There's a lot. There's more people. Sometimes everybody's just like coming in and going.
Why are you having
And it's really crazy. Very crazy.
So we've just been wandering around Toy Story Land and talking to some people, just trying to take it all in. And it's like really hot because it's humid. It's the end of June, and we actually just found this little like water cooler over here with these little cups. Fill it up, and it's like ice cold water. Better than that counter service water.
Greetings, fellow toys. When you see Rex, be careful. It's known to be excitable.
As you just heard there, Buzz Lightyear was talking. And he actually has a little spiel in Spanish, you know, because in Toy Story 3, Buzz Lightyear goes into Spanish mode. But the other characters talk too, so Woody out in front by the Toy Story Land sign, he talks, and Jessie up on the roller coaster, she talks whenever Slinky Dog's about to come through. It's pretty awesome.
So if you guys don't know, there's actually a new, what could be considered purple wall here at Hollywood Studios. It's made with a bunch of popsicle sticks, and Taylor's back there. I'm trying to go find her, and I'm walking down the exit from Toy Story Midway Mania. So it's a little strange because everybody's like, why are you walking down the exit? I'm sure that's what they're thinking. At least that's what I think they're thinking. So we'll see. So this could very well be considered the new purple wall here at Hollywood Studios.
Yes!
With the popsicle sticks. It actually looks pretty cool.
I couldn't find this wall. I saw a picture of it scrolling through Instagram. Could not find it. Looked everywhere. I was walking around holding up the picture to people and was like, do you know where this is? Do you know where this is? Do you know where this is? And then finally, we found it. Ear to ear magic helped me find it.
Hey guys.
I walked up to him and was like, do you know where this is? And he's like, well, let's go look. So we walked back the Toy Story Mania exit, and that's where it was.
All right, so it's 9 o'clock. Park's been officially open for an hour. They've actually closed Toy Story Land, so if you exit and try to get back in, you're going to be waiting in an extremely long line, which is absolutely crazy, but it's to be expected. It's the opening day, so the land's going to close because there are so many people in here, it's really getting hard to move. All the lines are really backed up, but if you have a fast pass, they will still let you into the park. You don't have to wait, or they'll still let you into the land. You don't have to wait in the line. So I said it's 9 o'clock. This is still the line for Slinky Dog. It is, I know I'm not outside, so I can't like show you guys, but if I leave, I won't be able to get back in. But this line is actually going all the way out towards or past the Great Movie Ride. Pretty much where Taylor had showed it earlier today. It's actually even further out than that, which is absolutely crazy. This is at least a 5, 6, or 7 hour line, is what they're saying. All right, so Taylor somehow snagged us a fast pass for Toy Story Midway Mania, which isn't really out of the blue, so to speak, because everybody's trying to get something like the Slinky Dog Dash or the Alien Sausage Swirlers. So that's what we're doing. We're going over to Toy Story Midway Mania. We're gonna go through the new queue, basically. Hopefully see Mr. Potato Head. See what it's like. I heard he's like super interactive. So we are going through the new queue for Fast Pass that's inside of Toy Story Land. So what are we doing?
About to get on Toy Story Mania. Now I'm about to win.
But we were riding together though.
But we're riding together though.
We never ride together.
We never ride together.
Taylor killed me. Killed me. Alright, so we just got finished riding Toy Story Midway Mania. The ride itself is all the same, but the queue is a little bit different.
Yeah, it is.
What's interesting is that when you exit, you're actually exiting through what used to be the entrance on the other side.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
And that's a little bit confusing at first, but...
Yeah, to those who have done it before.
Yeah, but it's still pretty neat. And they have so much detail with the toys and the games that are all over the wall. The drawings of One-Eyed Bart are awesome.
Yes.
Love that. Super cool. So... we're kind of in the way here. We're gonna move.
It's okay.
All right, so I think that's gonna do it for us this morning. Yeah, I think we've done pretty much all the exploring that we can do for today. And we got to see a lot
we
of
were
stuff
here last night.
So we'll definitely come back over at some point and get some more video.
Next weekend we're gonna be here.
Yes.
Because we have Alien Swirling Saucers Fast Pass.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing that, and Monday I will be here by myself to ride Slinky Dog because I have a Fast Pass.
Yes. I have to work.
Sorry.
But yeah, check out this awesome ball.
It's the giant Luxo ball.
Yeah.
The line for food is pretty long too, so we'll be doing an actual dining review of Woody's Lunchbox.
Yep.
We should actually probably do a breakfast and a lunch.
Yeah, because they have two different menus.
Or dinner, whatever. Yeah, because they have two different menus. So I really want to try one of the Pop-Tart things.
All things to come soon at some point. I don't know. You guys, you'll see.
Now we are on our way out of Toy Story Land. We're going to go home so we can edit videos. And we're going to show you this madness of what is opening day of Toy Story Land. You
might be thinking, Oh, look at that. Here's the end of the line to get into Slinky Dog, right? You might be thinking, here's the end of the line. Nope, because the line continues over here. And it is really, really long. How long is it? You're about to see. So what's this? This is actually the rest of the line. It's literally going all the way down there, and then it's wrapping back around, and it's coming into here. And then they are moving, they're basically what they're doing is they're escorting people across and over this way. All right, so we are now moving up by Great Movie Ride. And these are all people that are queued up to try to get in. And now they've even got, so this is actually a line. This group of people, they've got tape on the ground. This is crazy. Let's take a walk back here. So they literally have this all filled. This is Great Movie Ride. These are people that are either in line for Slinky Dog or in line to get into Toy Story Land. I'm not sure. But look at this madness. Oh, here we go. So this is right here. This is Toy Story Land entrance from right here. Absolutely insane. Thank goodness we got in here earlier today. This is all people queuing up to try to get in. It's unreal. Unreal.
Yeah.
That right there is why you get here early when a new land is about to open, because that's what happens.